Hey everyone, if you're like me and you have thin, fine hair that tangles really easily when you wake up in the morning and after you get out of the shower, I wanted to show you a great product that I found to be effective with dealing with my hair. It's Pantene conditioner. It's fine hair solutions, treatment, ultralight moisturizing, nourishes and protects from root to tip. And it's really good stuff. Just take a little bit. Oh, I just dropped it on myself. You take a little bit and in your hair, and it smells so good. I wish you could smell it. And then once I get it in my hair, I take